OpenClaw just opened another trade by itself. I'm not even touching it. Okay, we'll get back to that. I'm Daniel. I've been building this for 3 years. For the past 3 years, I've been building something in my spare room. I had never planned to show anyone, but now I am. I'm showing you every step of it, especially the parts where it breaks. To explain why, I have to back up, way back. I studied finance, left in my third year. Here's the moment I knew I had to. I was writing a paper on algorithm trading. Halfway through, I realized my professor was teaching us from a textbook from 2014. Half the stuff in it was already dead by the time I was supposed to learn it. Got top marks on the paper, left a month later. Since then, I've been teaching myself. Coursera at night, GitHub project clone, break, fix, break again. Tests running on my laptop while I was supposed to be doing other stuff. I wasn't trading to become a trader. I was trading to figure out one thing: why every strategy I read about stopped working the second real money was on the table. So at some point, I did the obvious thing. I started trading it myself. I blew 2 deposits, about 4,000 between them. Not that I didn't know what to do. I knew. I read everything, backtested the setups. Now, I know what I'm supposed to do. What actually happened? After 3 losses in a row, I would start chasing. I doubled the bet, tripled it sometimes. I would jump into tradings that I didn't plan to. And I would tell myself it's conviction, but it wasn't. It was all a tantrum in a spreadsheet. At the 4th blow up, I sat down and actually wrote in a notebook. The problem isn't the strategy. The problem is me. I can't sit at this screen and not be myself. Therefore, I need to take myself out of it, out of trading entirely. That's where it all started. Not from wanting to get rich, from wanting to stop being the weakest part of my own system. Okay, the first version was terrible. Version 1, 3 hardcore rules, no controls, no filters, lost in 20 minutes. Version 2, added stop conditions, still lost, just slower. Version 3, added a news filter. That's when I learned that news filter is a piece of software harder than everything I would build before it combined. Versions 4 and 5, don't want to talk about it. Cross them out and erase them. Version 6 worked for 3 weeks. Then it broke in a way that taught me what overlifting actually means in real life, which is different from what they teach in textbook. Version 7 is running right behind me. About 8 months live. Not perfect, maybe 3 bugs or even 10 that I don't know of. But for the first time, it's not losing money and it's not lying to me why. Okay, now here's the part where most channels will try to sell something to you, but I'm not. I will ask you something instead. But first, I owe you an answer to a question that I asked 5 minutes ago. What really is that thing behind me? It's called Trade AI. The engine inside it is OpenClaw. That thing that opened the trade at the start of this video, that's OpenClaw. It runs on pocket option. That's the whole stack. 2 things before you keep going. Trading is a risk. You can lose what you put in. Don't put in what you can't lose. That's it on risk. Second, pocket option isn't legal everywhere. Check your country's rules before you even sign up. I can't do that for you, okay? What I wanted to ask. The real reason I'm filming this publicly, I have a team of 3 people. 3. That's enough to find every weird edge cause in a live trading system. You, the people watching, are going to spot this. I can't see it alone. Therefore, in every video, including this one, I'll ask you something specific in the comments and I'll read them. Not engage with them, read them. Today's question: what made you stop trusting the trading bot you used before? If you've never used one, what would make you never trust one in the first place? I want to know what breaks your trust, because that's one thing I can't afford to do. That's the whole please engage session. Done. One last thing, what I'm not going to do on this channel, I'm not going to tell you how much money the bot makes. I'm not going to show you screenshots of balances. Not going to compare it to your salary. Not going to talk about financial freedom. I'm not going to tell you to quit your job. If you've watched any trading channel on YouTube, you know exactly the format I'm describing. and exactly why I'm not doing it. What I'm going to show you: win rate over time, trades that lose and why they lost, trades that win, why I'm suspicious anyway, the code when it matters, the whiteboard a lot, and my face when the bot does something I don't understand, which honestly is most of the time now. So here's the deal. Next 10 episodes or so, that's the plan. We'll see. I'm taking Trade AI from the version on my laptop to something you can actually try yourself. I don't know if I'll get there. I think I will. If I don't see you exactly where it broke, either way, it's worth watching. Next video, running OpenClaw live in front of you guys, full session. Let's see what comes out of it. Don't let me down, guys. If you want to see whether it holds up when someone other than me is watching, subscribe for that. Comment with your answer what broke your trust in the bot before. If nothing has, what would? Like if you watched all the way through, that's it. 3 acts, 1 time each. Well, that's episode 1. I'm Daniel. Trade AI, it's still behind me. Let's see how this goes.